Hello, it's good to have you here today. So quickly, I'm going to teach you how to expand exponent. So for example, we have 4 to the power of 2. What does this mean? This means this base should be multiplied twice. That's what it means. So we're going to have 4 times 4. That's the meaning of 4 to the power of 2. And that should give you what? 16. Let's say also we have 6 to the power of 3. You see, my 3 is smaller, just right above the main number called the base. Now, what does this mean? It means that the base should be multiplied how many times? Thrice. So you have 6 times 6 times 6. And that should give us what? 6 times 6 is 36. And then 36 times 6 should give us what? That's 180. You should be putting to use all your other tips, quick way of multiplying, right? So we have 180. Maybe I should explain that to you. How I can quickly get to that without multiplying in column, right? So let's do that together. Let me show you. So I have 6 times 6 is 36. I have 36 multiplied by 6. So how can I quickly do this without going in column? This is the same thing as 30 times 6, which is a lot easier, right? Plus the remaining 6, 6 times 6. You know why? Because 36 equals to 30 plus 6. So what I'm doing is to multiply each one of them by 6, right? Quick, because that's going to be faster. So I will have 30 times 6 is 180 plus 6 times 6 is 36. So if you put this together, you have 260. It seems we are learning two things in the same lesson. Alright? So let's see one more example. What will 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 2b? How would you expand this? This is 2 times 2 because this means multiply 2 twice. Because this sign is times, we continue. And this also means multiply 3 2 times. So 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12, right? And 12 times 3 is what? 36. You see that? So, go ahead and try as many examples as possible. If you have any workbook or any practice book at home, look at the exponents and try them out. I wish you all the best and God bless you.